Hello, and welcome to Ask the Code Doctor. I am Paul Carrafa, your host, so let's get started. The topic of today's discussion will be closed dryer exhaust systems. The code reference for closed dryer exhaust system is the Florida Building Code, Residential 2017, Section M1502, page 463. The reason for providing a code reference is so that if you desire, the Florida Building Code Residential can be viewed for free at www.floridabuilding.org. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's really get started. There are three distinct sections of any closed dryer exhaust system: the transition duct, metal exhaust system, and outlet terminal. First, the transition duct, which shall be either metal or plastic. The transition duct is used to connect the exhaust from the dryer to the exhaust system. The transition duct shall also be a single length without any splices, and the length shall be a maximum of 8 feet. Of course, the shorter the better, and shall not be concealed within any wall or ceiling. The transition duct shall be listed for use as a connection to the dryer exhaust system. Each end shall be securely fastened with a clamp appropriate for either metal or plastic. Next is the independent exhaust system. Dryer exhaust systems shall be independent of all other systems and shall convey the moisture to the outside and shall be installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Dryer exhausts cannot be connected to the bathroom venting system or the kitchen exhaust system. The moisture from the dryer must be terminated to the outside of the home, either at the roof level or the outside wall. The duct exhaust system shall have a smooth interior finish and shall be constructed of rigid metal, either aluminum or galvanized steel, having a minimum thickness of 0.0157 inches. The duct shall be a minimum of 4 inches nominal in diameter. The exhaust duct shall be supported at intervals not to exceed 12 feet with metal straps secured to the framing members. The insert end of the duct shall extend into the adjoining duct or fitting in the direction of airflow. This is most important. If installed where the fittings are not in the direction of airflow, there will be a blockage that will develop at that connection. All exhaust duct joints shall be sealed and mechanically fastened. The duct shall be joined with screws or similar fasteners that protrude not more than 1/8 inch into the inside of the duct. The maximum allowable exhaust fitting equivalent length shall be 35 feet. Each 90-degree fitting is equivalent to 5 feet, and each 45-degree fitting is equivalent to 2.5 feet. The transition duct and outlet terminal are not included in this calculation. Where fittings are used, the length of the exhaust system fittings equivalent length shall be reduced. Wherever possible, using less fittings will allow for an unrestricted airflow to the outlet terminal. Protective shield plates shall be placed on the finished face of any framing member. Where it is less than 1¼ inch between the duct and the finished face of the framing member, protective shield plates shall be constructed of steel and have a minimum thickness of 0.062 inches. The plate shall extend a minimum of 2 inches above the bottom plate and 2 inches below the top plate. If additional framing members are used between the top and bottom plates where the duct is less than 1¼ inches from the face of the framing member, then protective shields are required. The size and length of the exhaust system shall be determined by the manufacturer's installation instruction. As always, the instructions should be reviewed before you install the exhaust system. The outlet terminal shall terminate on the outside of the building. It shall be installed either on the roof level or at the side wall of the dwelling. The terminal shall be equipped with a backdraft damper. Screens shall not be installed at the duct termination. In closing, I wish to thank you for inviting me into your home.